Curious how fast you can make two powerful AIs team up? Let's jump in. First, head to the Agent Registry and open the Public Networks page. From there, clone or inherit the O3 agent node for use in your own workspace. With the agent in place, switch over to your network view and copy the MCP server notation. Follow the guide below to install the server in Claude or any other MCP-compatible client. You'll also generate a bearer token if you haven't set one up already. Once the client confirms a successful installation, note the node ID assigned to your O3 agent. You'll need it in the next step. Now you can ask Claude to tackle a coding task. Write a function that finds the longest common prefix of an array of strings using the O3 model hosted on Node Enterprise. Great! The O3 model provided insights on the best solution to solve the challenge. The team needs to continue working until they come up with the best way to implement their solution. Claude Opus consults with its partner, the O3 agent. It refines its implementation strategy through a quick back and forth, and finally produces the full working solution. And that's it. This is the benefit of fostering collaboration between AI agents using modern frameworks like MCP servers and agent-to-agent protocols. In the next tutorial, you'll learn how Node Enterprise fully automates entire business processes using a new type of AI agent called autopilots.